There is a fantastic new study of MIME on HPV. The study was carried out by a professor in the University of Texas. She started the study when she was at MD Anderson Cancer Center, which is one of the top cancer centers in the United States. The importance of this HPV study is because HPV is known to be associated with cervical cancer. Cervical cancer is the third most common cancer in women worldwide. And we know 99% of cervical cancer is associated with HPV infection. HPV is a very common infection, and there are many different subtypes of HPV reported. Being positive for HPV infection is risky, especially when it's a long time chronic infection. For such HPV infection, we have the vaccine available, but recently Japanese government, the Ministry of Health, officially announced that they don't recommend HPV vaccine at the moment because of two severe side effects. So for this kind of HPV infection, we have no ultimate cure or drugs to get rid of HPV. So this professor at the University of Texas tried MIME on HPV infection. She started from a preliminary human clinical study. The subjects were only 10 people, 10 women, but they had been positive with HPV over 1 year. Since they started taking MIME, within 3 months, 50% of them could eradicate HPV. They could get rid of HPV. That was a wonderful outcome, and the news was taken by ABC News and Fox News as a science-breaking news in the United States. Recently, she acquired the National Research Grant from NIH, the National Institute of Health in the United States. This was the first case such a mushroom-based natural ingredient acquired the National Research Grant from NIH. And with this grant, she started a newer study, which is with a larger number of subjects on a double-blind, placebo-controlled basis. And it's ongoing, and we expect to see a result within a year.